GPT-5 is here, and it is the smartest, fastest, and most useful model from OpenAI. It's great at coding, great at writing, great for health answers, and safer and more accurate than ever. By the way, they have reduced hallucinations by a lot. Before we begin, I just want to tell you about it. It's very cheap to use through the API as well. For the full model, you pay $1.25 per million token input and $10 for 1 million tokens output. There's also GPT-5 Mini that is a lot cheaper by up to 5 times, and also GPT-5 Nano, which is a lot cheaper. So GPT-5 is a unified system, and they also offer GPT-5 Thinking, which is a deeper reasoning model for harder problems. GPT-5 has a real-time router that decides which model to use according to the conversation type, complexity, and the tools that are needed, as well as your intent. For example, if you say think hard about this inside your prompt or chat message, then it routes to the deeper reasoning model. GPT-5 not only outperforms, but is also faster, and they specialize it for real-world queries. Of course, the community has to check it out to see if that's actually true. In terms of coding, they improve it quite a lot for front-end generation as well as debugging. It's able to create beautiful and responsive websites as well as 2D games. Early users have talked about the design choices and the understanding of spacing, typography, and white spaces. There are various websites that they have created with it. We can see some examples here, as well as this very nice game. So it's very good at writing, and it's a significant step forward in terms of that, and it's also amazing at health queries. About evaluations, of course, we have to note that loads of benchmarks are saturated and loads of models are performing well on benchmarks, but in reality, they're overfitted. So it beats O3, which is the state-of-the-art model for competition mathematics, with and without thinking. So this model is super smart, and it's able to also use tools, which make it even smarter. Yes, it reached 100% correct answers, which is incredible. And this is the GPT-5 Pro version. There's also the GPT-5 version that reached 99.6 with Python tools and thinking. On another frontier mathematics benchmark, it was also absolutely amazing, especially compared to the previous OpenAI models. Here we have to note that OpenAI has the leading models in terms of mathematics. So the performance here with thinking is also pretty great and pretty amazing. And it also beats ChatGPT Agent, which is pretty insane. On hard MIT Mathematics Tournament, it's also saturating it, specifically GPT-5 Pro, using Python tools. That's also pretty incredible. On the GPQA Diamond, it reaches 89.4%, 88.4% without tools, and for the regular GPT-5, it reaches 87.3%. A significant jump to OpenAI O3 and GPT-4o. On Humanity's last exam, it reaches 42%, narrowly beating the agent. We can see here that in general, the whole spectrum of the GPT-5 models are a lot smarter than the previous generation, even the reasoning ones like O3. In terms of coding, it's state-of-the-art on the software engineer benchmark with thinking. Also, without thinking, it's beating GPT-4o. On Aider Polyglot, it also does a significant jump in performance when thinking is enabled, and this model is absolutely amazing at following instructions. It's doing an incredible job for free-from writing, not that good of a job for agentic search and browsing, and very good job for multi-turn instruction following. So here you can see even more benchmarks about it. It's a significant improvement to GPT-4o. And so also this model is very good at multimodal stuff. It's currently at par and a little better than O3, and the non-thinking model is also a performance improvement over GPT-4o. There are so many benchmarks to show you. They have tested pretty much everywhere. This model is actually a lot smarter for reasoning and a lot smarter for non-reasoning. It's a significant boost, and one of the most important things is the reduction in hallucinations. This model is not hallucinating, no matter what you try to do with it. And this model is also faster at thinking. It has 50 to 80% less output tokens in terms of reasoning compared to OpenAI's O3. Here you can see a comparison of the number of output tokens and the performance. Similar results happen on software engineering benchmark, which means that at the end of the day, this model could cost less for your task and you probably will have to wait less for the generation to happen. Similar results are also shown on GPQA Diamond. The hallucination rate has been significantly reduced, which is a very big positive, and also the response level error rate has also been reduced. And also the model is, less deceptive on its answers. So in general, I would say that this overall is an amazing release from OpenAI. They have improved the model by 5 to 10% across all of the areas that you could use it. And GPT-5 has started to roll out to everyone. So that's very nice to see. You can go ahead on chatgpt.com and start using it. Yes, exactly. You can start using it right now. But make sure to ask it what model it is, because at least for me, it has not rolled out yet. Probably it will start for the paid users and us free users will get it later on. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you believe about GPT-5? Have you tried it out? Did you like it? Just let me know.